Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 3 of Hybrid Zoology. Here's our agenda for the week and some announcements. Alright, so this week we're going to be wrapping up that Gorongosa experiment in the TrailCam data lab. And we're also going to be starting our unit on evolution. This week, you're going to have an Edpuzzle video to watch about the evidence of evolution. I am going to be providing you a sheet to take notes. You're welcome to use that, or you're welcome to keep your own notebook. But you do need to take notes for this unit. This is going to be the first unit in which you have a test. So you need to have those notes available for you to study. You can print and handwrite them. You can make a copy of the document and type them and print them off later. If you choose to type them, I suggest you split your Chromebook screen by pressing Alt and these two brackets. So that way you can have one tab with the video playing and you can have another tab open with your notes document and you can just type your notes as you're watching the video. This week you will be assigned your first project, and it's going to be related to your Gorongosa research question that we have been starting in class, the hypothesis and the results and your conclusions. The project is going to be a Google slideshow of all of these different things, but you're not going to actually have to present these. You're not going to have to stand up in front of the room or even speak in a Zoom room. What we are going to do is a virtual gallery walk. So these assignments are due on Tuesday the 6th. On Wednesday the 7th, I will send them all out to everybody for you to look at, and then you will sort of summarize everybody else's research project. You get to check them out and look at their results and conclusions and their questions. As we move forward into the evolution unit, I'm going to be placing everything related to evolution in this evolution unit folder. Once that's ready, I'll post the link. And I just also want to remind you that our progress reports go out on Friday the 16th, which is a little more than 2 weeks away. So if you are falling behind on work, use this weekend to get caught up. Our objectives for the week. We're going to be continuing the Gorongosa National Park. You're going to write a testable hypothesis. You are going to analyze the data from that TrailCam program and present your findings. You will also use evolutionary evidence in order to answer a question related to dolphins, cows, and sharks. And then if we have time, I'll start talking about natural selection. All right, so every day, these are your assignments. The red things that you see here, I'm going to be updating those links shortly. But everything that you need for Wednesday, the 30th, is up and ready for you. Please fill out the attendance tracker. It's really important that you do that. It's a real pain for me to backtrack and go through all the assignments that were posted for a day and see who did and who did not do them. So the attendance tracker is the very first thing you should be doing when you start your zoology work. Then there is a discussion board post. You're going to be posting your research question from the lab, and you are also going to give feedback on 2 other classmates' research question. Your initial post is due on the 30th. Your comments to classmates are due on the 2nd if you're in cohort A. If you're in cohort B, 2 comments are due on the 6th. If you have not already done so, make sure you have up to number 7 done in the Gorongosa Lab handout. Then there is a background research assignment. I include some links to help you get started with your research. And there is a template for you to record your notes on the research and a video on how to cite your research. This needs to be done today because that's going to serve as a foundation for forming your hypothesis for your research question. Then I want you to get started working on the Google Slides. Just like with the About Me project, I made a template for you. You are more than welcome to use that or create your own. I include a video with the directions. I also give you an example and the rubric. So you want to make sure that you look at the rubric and my example and watch the video with the directions. And then you can start filling out some of the items required for the project, like your observations, your questions, your background research. And if you start thinking about a hypothesis, you can start including your hypothesis. The results and conclusions we won't get to until we are in class. When we are in class, we will use that TrailCam program to pull out data and make pivot tables and graphs to pick out your variables, and so that way you can analyze that data and form conclusions. And then you will have some time to work on the slideshow while we are in class. On your remote day, that's when you're going to start the evidence of evolution stuff. There'll be an Edpuzzle video for you to take notes on, and then the activity. And then if you haven't already done so, make sure you have those comments on your classmates' discussion posts. I did include a Zoom link for today, Wednesday, September 30th. If you need help on anything or if you have questions on anything, you can just hop into this meeting. It's not required that you attend this meeting, but I do have it open in case people have questions, or if you just want to say hello, you can come in to the meeting. That link will be open from 7:30 in the morning till 11 a.m. So if you need help on an assignment, you can come join me in the Zoom room or feel free to send me an email. Good luck, everyone, and happy researching.